In this video, we're going to be decorating some really cute tropical themed cupcakes and designing them with some beautiful, easy to make rosettes. So let's get started on preparing our buttercream. We're going to create a light blue tinted American buttercream for this. Just a small amount of gel food coloring is all you'll need. We don't want the color to get too dark. We still want it to be nice and light in color, so only 1 to 3 drops should be enough. And when you're making your American buttercream, we want the consistency to be medium consistency. So what that means is we don't want it to be super thick where it's really hard to spread, but we also don't want it too runny, because if it's too thin of a consistency, then it won't give us the shape that we need when we're ready to pipe our cupcake. So once you've got the color already mixed, and go ahead and add the frosting into your piping bag that's already been fit with the one end tip. So now let's grab our cupcakes and start piping. So when we're piping, we're applying pressure from the top of the piping bag and gently squeezing it to allow some frosting to come out. And we're hovering the tip just above the cupcake, and we're starting right in the middle, creating a star and swinging the frosting all the way around to the other side of the cupcake. And when we're done, release the pressure and pull away. And these rosette style cupcakes are the perfect style for beginners. They are super easy to make, and it really helps get you the practice and learn to be more comfortable when you're piping. Another thing I love to recommend for beginners is using a deluxe sprinkle mix, just like this one that I got from Sprinkle Pop. It really helps bring the theme of what you're making together. So for these ones, this sprinkle mix is called Treasure Hunt. And it really gives that nice tropical mermaid Moana vibe, so it really can go for any type of theme like that. And lastly, for this cupcake, I'm adding these really cute sugar shells that I got from Layer Cake Shop, which really completes the entire look of the cupcake and theme that we're going for. And my original plan for these cupcakes was to go with a Moana vibe, but as you can tell, these can really do any tropical vibe. They're so versatile and really, really cute. So there you have it, our tropical themed beginner friendly cupcakes are done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please be sure to subscribe for more. I have a lot more coming, and as always, please let me know if you make these. I would love to see how yours came out.